Good morning. I am Dr. Mukul Rastogi, Additional Director, Hepatology and Liver Transplant, Fortis Group of Hospitals, Delhi NCR. So today I am going to tell you certain facts about my department. In our department, we are having a full-fledged liver transplant department where we have a separate block to deal with the liver patients. We have all variety of liver patients, like those who are having jaundice, who are having GI bleeding, who are having hepatic coma, ascites, and other type of diseases like blood through the rectum or blood vomiting by the mouth. In our department, we are having all variety of facilities like emergency endoscopies, colonoscopies, endoscopic ultrasound, fibroscan liver, CT scan, MRI scan, and ERCP. We are having all range of ERCPs like CVD stone removal, like pancreatic stone removal, pancreatic duct stenting, CVD stenting, metallic stenting in the esophagus, and other things. I am having experience of a number of endoscopies, diagnostic or therapeutic, colonoscopies, diagnostic therapeutic, and therapeutic ERCPs. I did some work in calcific chronic pancreatitis also. We are having full-fledged department of liver transplant, in which we are doing up to till now, we almost did 1300 liver transplant, and we have all variety of patients in liver transplant. Those who are suffering from liver cirrhosis due to hepatitis B, hepatitis C, autoimmune liver disease, alcoholic liver disease, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, and hepatocellular carcinoma. So all variety of liver ailments are dealing with our department, and we did successful 1300 liver transplant till now in Delhi NCR by this Fortis Group of Hospitals, and our results are very good, and we perform our success rate is 97%, and in our patients we dealt with from the age of 4 months up to the age of 73 years, and the lowest weight of our patient is 5 kg, 4 kg or 5 kg. So we have variety of patients including newborn, including infants or child or young and old, all variety of patients we are dealing with this. So in nutshell, I am going to say that in Fortis Hospital Noida, we are having a separate dedicated block for dealing the liver transplant patients and hepatology and gastroenterology patients. So I just request you to send more and more patients so that we can provide our best services to them, so that they will be off their ailment in the near future. And our hospital is associated with hospitals since long, and they are very good in facilitating all type of procedures and facilitating the patient. They interpret our international patients very beautifully, so that they understand the depth of the procedures, surgeries and transplant and all. They are very friendly. They can come anytime to the hospital whenever we call them, and they make the patient very comfortable by having a comfortable stay, by having a comfortable food. Whatever variety of food they want, our hospital people, they provide that. It is a very good organization for facilitating the international patients, so that they feel like home in this hospital. Thank you very much.